Hello, ayan mga kaibigan, kumusta? Sada nga pala ulit ang inyong lingkod and welcome to Sirda TV and welcome sa ating bonus session for our Flight Path series. Ayan. Sa session na to, we will answer the question, why do you want to be an aircraft engineer or an aircraft mechanic? Ayan. Bakit nga ba? So, tatalakayin natin ngayon yan. Kasi kung mga kaibigan, ang tanong na yan talagang matagal kong nasagot. So, kasi mga kaibigan dati, I am just working like a robot. Yeah? No? Just working like an autopilot. Gising, tulog, trabaho, gising, tulog, trabaho. And I kept questioning myself, bakit ko nga ba ito ginagawa? Bakit nga ba, ano mo yun? Bakit yung career ladder ko ay talagang umaangat? I've been successful in my career. Well, nakapunta sa iba't ibang lugar. Nakapunta din kahit papano, but I feel empty. And I kept questioning God, why? Why I feel empty even in my success? And one day mga kaibigan, sinagot niya yan. Not through talking to me, I'm not that holy. But He answered it through giving me signs or just showing me the situations. So nagsimula yun mga kaibigan nung ako ay flight engineer na. Especially naging flight crew ako. So kasama ako sa crew na pumupunta sa iba't ibang lugar. For example, pa Japan, Indonesia, Singapore, Hong Kong. Yan. So one day, duty ko noon pa Nagoya, Japan. Then while waiting sa boarding gates, kasi I'm still waiting for the aircraft to come. So I've stayed in different different gates of different flights. So halo-halo yung mga tao doon. So I overheard one of the traveler, I think he's going, Hong Kong maybe. Yeah, Hong Kong. Oh. So narinig ko siya. And he said, yes, finally makakapunta na ako sa Disneyland. Makikita ko na ang matagal ko ng pangarap. I will ride all the rides. And finally, I will witness how the theme park will close, especially the fabulous and glamorous fireworks na ang background ay yung Disney Castle. Sabi na, yes, bucket list. I saved a lot for this trip. Ayan. There you go, friends. Dream. Then, the other side, there is maybe a first-timer overseas Filipino worker. Baguhan lang ata mga kaibigan. So doon, narinig ko siya. Sabi niya, pagdating ko doon at pagkasahod ko ng unang sahod ko, ipapadala ko agad sa inyo. After we pay all our debts, we will improve our house and we will build up and start up businesses. There you go, friends, kaibigan. Dream again. Dream. Pangarap. Bucket list. So after the flight, duty, Nagoya, Japan. Then I went home. After passing through the border control or the immigration, you can see different kinds of travelers, especially overseas Filipino workers from different parts of the world. If you will see them, they have different kinds of stuff in their carts. Gifts for their young kids, wives, families. And when you see their little one, run towards him and hugs him and kiss him. It will melt your heart. Because you can pat your back. Because you fulfill the dream of that kid to spend time with his father. I just want to tell you, my friends, mga kaibigan, ang pagiging aircraft mechanic is not only earning for yourself, having money. I'm telling you, in this career, yes, you will earn money. But my friends, being an aircraft mechanic is also being God's human tool to make others' dream come true. Yes. That's my answer. Why I want to become an aircraft engineer or aircraft mechanic. Because my friend, if you will just see it that way, earn, money, my friend, kaibigan ko, you will be burnt out. Mapapagod ka. Because aviation industry is toxic. Stressful, time pressure is always there. But if you will think outside the box and you have your purpose, yes, I know, starting you have a purpose to earn money for yourself, for your family, to have a career growth, but there is one purpose that can ease you out. My friend, just input to yourself. I'm not addressing this only for aircraft mechanics and aircraft engineers, but I'm also addressing this to all the people who have jobs. That maybe, if we will see it that way, that we are God's human tool to make others' dream come true, my God, we can change the world for a bit. So mga kaibigan ko, baka nagtataka kayo bakit nag-i-English ako ngayon. Kasi mga kaibigan, this session, this message that I want to convey is that I don't only want my fellow men or fellow countrymen to hear it, but also all the aspiring mechanics around the world. Because I want to change their mindset, their way of thinking, that they will start being an aircraft engineer just to earn. And I want to save them from burnt out. So my friends, mga kaibigan ko, mga kapatid, be God's human tool to make others' dream come true. Alright? Mga kaibigan ko, friends, thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. And if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and push the notification bell because we still have many things to discuss in our Flight Path series. Mga kaibigan, mga friends, this is Sir Da again, and I am leaving you a mantra. Be better, be bolder, be smarter, and age likewise.